Is your cough lingering longer than usual? It might be more than just a cold. At Monarch Medicine, we understand the worry and discomfort of continuous coughing. That's why our doors are always open to you. In fact, persistent coughs can sometimes signal underlying conditions requiring prompt medical attention. Why take a chance? With our same-day diagnostics and treatments, Monarch Medicine provides the quick, professional care you need, exactly when you need it. Remember, quick action can lead to quick relief. Make Monarch Medicine your go-to choice for trusted care today. Visit Monarch Medicine. Feel better fast.